Hey guys, it's Saga. Yesterday, I went and purchased the Xiaomi 12 Pro, so in this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, tell you guys what all it offers, and give you guys my initial impressions about it. I was going to order this from Amazon, but Xiaomi had some really good first day exchange offers in their offline stores, so I went to one of the Mi Home stores in Pune and got it from there. It's available in two variants. One with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage starts at 62,999, and the other one with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is available for 66,999 rupees. These prices are already lower than the OnePlus 10 Pro, but with a few card offers and an introductory discount, you can get it for 10k less, which makes it an even sweeter deal. Alright, so without wasting any more time, let us go ahead and check out what all do we get in this thick and heavy box. I went with the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant in black color. As you break the seal and open the box, you will be greeted with this second black box. It holds the USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, some paperwork, and this thin, transparent TPU case. After that, there is the phone itself in this beautiful Noir Black color. Then there is the USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and finally, we have this 120-watt charger which can charge this phone extremely fast. Let me put these things aside and get back to the phone. Just look at how good this 12 Pro looks in black color. Actually, it is more of a grey color and I really like the matte back. With a 6.7-inch display, it is a big device, but it feels really nice in the hand. I'm definitely going to need both my hands to use it, but thanks to the subtle curves at the back, it doesn't feel too uncomfortable to hold. Both the front and back of this phone are made of glass, with the frame being made of metal. This front curved glass gets Gorilla Glass Victor's protection. With all the things that Xiaomi included in the box, they skipped the pre-installed screen protector this time. I know that screen protector scratches very easily, but it still provides the display with some kind of protection until we get a better option, which I think is going to be difficult to find since this phone gets a curved edge display. Even the case that they included with the phone feels very thin and cheap to be included with a phone which costs more than 60,000 rupees. If you want to keep your 12 Pro safe, make sure to invest in a good quality case and a screen protector for it. Looking around, we get an IR blaster, noise cancelling microphone and a speaker grill at the top. Volume and power buttons are on the right side. There is nothing on the left side, and at the bottom we have the SIM tray which holds two nano SIM cards, a main microphone, USB Type-C port and another speaker grill. This 12 Pro doesn't get an IP rating, which is a bit surprising given its price point. There are two speaker grills, but Xiaomi has put quad speakers in this phone and they have been tuned by Harman Kardon. We get a 6.73-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. It's a true 10-bit panel, has HDR10 Plus certification, and it can get as bright as 1500 nits while playing HDR content. This is also an LTPO2 panel, so the refresh rate can drop down to just 1Hz for static content, and it can even ramp up to 120Hz for more demanding content. So all of this and Dolby Vision means you are going to love the display on this phone no matter what you do on it. It is going to be particularly great for consuming media. Like most of the Android flagships, it gets curved edges and my views on them haven't changed yet. Because of the weird refractions and accidental touches, I still like and prefer flat edges on my phones. The bezels on this phone seem pretty small all around, and there is a small punch hole cutout at the top for the front-facing camera. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor and it feels responsive and accurate until now. I haven't used it outside in bright sun yet, so in my full review, I will be able to tell you how accurate it is in day-to-day usage and how it performs in various lighting conditions. Inside, this phone packs in all the latest bells and whistles. It gets the notorious Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and a 4600 mAh battery. It also gets enough 5G bands, Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6. So as you can see, it packs in almost everything that you might expect a 2022 flagship smartphone to come with. It ships with MIUI 13.0.4 out of the box, which is based on Android 12. This interface feels snappy, and other than a few pre-installed apps like Netflix, Amazon, Flipkart and Zilli, there isn't too much bloatware out of the box. I have had this phone for less than a day, so right now I can't really tell you anything about its overall performance, battery life or the charging speeds. I'm sure you guys might have heard about the throttling issue on this phone, so I'm going to keep on using it for the next few days and weeks and tell you guys how it actually affects the day-to-day performance in my full review. Another thing that you might have heard about this phone is that it is one of those rare phones which gets 3 50MP cameras on its back. Primary camera gets a massive 50MP Sony IMX707 sensor with f1.9 aperture, 24mm lens and optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide angle lens gets another 50 megapixel sensor behind it with f2.2 aperture and a 115 degree field of view. And the third and final camera at the back also gets a 50 megapixel sensor with f1.9 aperture and a 48mm or 2x telephoto lens. At the front, there is the 32 megapixel selfie camera with f2.5 aperture and a 26mm lens. I don't think I've seen any other phone with such promising set of cameras on its back, so I'm very excited to test it out and compare it with other phones like the OnePlus 10 Pro. A very detailed camera review of this phone is coming up on the channel in the next few days, so make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on. So this Xiaomi 12 Pro makes a really good first impression. If you can manage to club all the discount offers available, then it is a really good phone at under 55,000 rupees. I have not spent a lot of time with it yet, so right now, all I can tell you about are the superficial things, like I really like how it looks. Although it is a big phone, the in-hand feel is good. Display looks amazing and it feels like an overall solid build phone. There are 3 things which I don't like and I have already told you about 2 of them, but I will repeat them once more. First, it doesn't come with a pre-installed screen protector. At least the one which I purchased from the Mi Home store did not come with one. Second, the case which comes in the box feels too cheap to be bundled with a premium top-of-the-line flagship smartphone. And the third thing is, I have had this phone for less than a day and I am already annoyed with the accidental touches due to these curved edges. To know more about its overall performance, make sure to stay tuned to the channel for its full review. I will have a lot more to say about it in that video. In the meanwhile, if you would like to buy it for yourself, I will really appreciate if you get it from the affiliate links in the description section. That is it for this video, guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for a lot more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.